Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. As usual, we'll dive into a detailed multiple time frame analysis for BTC, as well as we're going to look at the USDT dominance chart. Before we start, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. As you can see, it was a quiet week, the last week, and there was a lack of volume and market wasn't a volatile. That's understandable because of the holiday. From the all-time high, you can take this volume profile, and as you can see, we've got one after another rejections again from the point of control, and to the dollar, we tested the value area low. I've been following this for some time. As soon as we're going to lose value area low, based on a mid as well as the mid-high time frame, we will end up in this box, 14,000 and below. We can see a clear picture on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, as you can see, we're stuck between the value area low as well as the point of control. And there is a clear picture. As soon as we're going to lose value area low, as I said, we will end up in this box. That's going to give us below $14,000. As you remember, we've been following this support box for some time based on a mid time frame as well as the mid-high time frame. So based on a weekly time frame, the levels are exactly the same. Without breaking and claiming $20,500, it's going to be early for us to talk about the upper levels. However, when it comes to the daily time frame, 60,000, once we broke, that was an first exit level based on a higher time frame from the bear market. First leg down, this was a fake out on the daily time frame, and we tested. We had a single resistance between 52 as well as the $48,000 after we lost $60,000. First exit zone, second one, as well as the last opportunity to exit from the market. Once we lost the $60,000 all the way up to $17,500-ish, we saw 70% all the way up to 75%, nearly 75% dump in the market, with a current price action over 70% again dump in the market. However, average between 52 as well as the 48,000, that will be $50,000. We saw another massive dump, 65%, with a recent dump, nearly 70% dump in the market. However, without getting an exit signal since the 60, 52, as well as the $48,000, without getting an exit or trend change, we had 67% dump with a current price action. However, as I keep mentioning that, in the first place, based on a daily time frame, $18,500 and then all the way up to $19,500 is extremely important in order to have a trend change. It is slightly early for us to talk about it because mid-time frame is extremely under bearish control. Even though we're going to claim $19,000, I believe we have to do a fake out test the way we did around $48,000. So daily time frame, higher time frame is heavily under the bearish control. USDT dominance chart, as I said, once we're going to claim this level, which was at 865, and then there is a chance that we can go all the way up to 905. However, the last time we failed a bit, we reached to target number 1. However, we didn't reach to 905 level, and then we started dumping all the way to the smart money line. We stuck around here, and then once we lost, it was a fake out, and then as soon as we claimed it back into based on a lower time frame, as well as this hybrid system, we claimed this level. Then again, as I said, the first level is going to be 382, followed by the second target as well as the third target. The moment, again, as you can see, the price action is a bit struggling, and we've got rejection one after another in the last couple of days. We've got a rejection right from the lower line of this resistance. As I said, if you see a dump from USDT dominance, you will see a pump from the BTC, and then vice versa. As long as we're going to be below this level, then we can see all the way up to 382, and then 382 confluence with the smart money. As you can see, that's approaching the white line, is approaching to 382. Without losing 382, it's going to be early to talk about the red line as well as this support line. So even though we're going to see this type of pullback from the USDT dominance chart, BTC may pump all the way up to the first resistance that we're going to cover in a minute. Before we do a further analysis for BTC, if you want to learn all these technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 Intense Masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become a profitable and professional trader in the market. And it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on with the BTC analysis on the 4-hour time frame. That was once we lost $20,500 and $20,300, there was your 618, the fib level between $20,700 and $400. Minor dump, retested it, and that provided an exit signal And as a result of it, we saw a decent dump in the market. From this level, around $20,500, $400, we saw 25% dump in the market with the current price action 17%. However, there is no need to exit at the moment because there is no trend change based on a 4-hour time frame. Without claiming $17,200 and $500, it's going to be early for us to talk about, especially $500. It's going to be early for us to talk about the trend change based on a 4-hour time frame. However, I'm expecting this is a 0.618, the golden pocket. Also, this golden pocket, as you can see, confluence with the upper line of this, the hybrid system, claiming this one as a support, then we will get a trend change. Otherwise, it will be a fake out and then price action will get highly likely rejection because mid-higher time frames are heavily under the bear's control. So this was our first target. As soon as we got a rejection from there, that was a scalping. We reached our first target level. However, without reaching all the way up to this level, which was 16,400 and 300, we started dumping. And I covered a lot over 3 days that we stuck below the red line and there was lack of momentum in the market. And one after another, as you can see, rejection after rejection from the red line. So as I said, in order to have a trend change based on a 4-hour time frame, we have to claim $17,300, $500. However, even if we're going to go and test, as you can see, because USDT dominance chart at the moment at the support, once we're going to lose that support, highly likely that from the BTC we might see this type of price action. And then if I throw that 382 as well as that support, if we're going to hold that support, that's going to be a decent resistance for BTC and we will see a further correction in the market. First target level is going to be again 16,400 and 500, and that will be followed by actually long weighted target is going to be 14,000 and 13,500 and $300. So current condition of the 4-hour time frame is heavily under the bear's control, even though if we're going to break and claim $17,000, that will be consolidation, and as I said, that might give us a dead cat bounce, and then in the first place this level losing in the first place for 16,400, losing this level, we've got lower levels below us. 2-hour time frame. Based on a 2-hour time frame in this range, the 2-hour time frame will be under the consolidation. However, claiming even this, we have to do a fake out test because this is heavy resistance for BTC, MTF, multiple time frame resistance, plus we've got 0.618, and then that's another confluence, as I said, that confluence with a hybrid system that we are following. Support and resistance levels are clear. Appreciate your support. And we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.